Water and electricity do not mix well. You can use plastic bags or wrap to cover the electrical components. Ensure that the bags or wraps are secure so that they do not fall off while washing the engine. At this point, you can remove the battery or disconnect it if you feel more comfortable doing so. Welcome to the TO exclusive car wash. Today, we will be showing you how we cleaned this RX350 of 2018 engine bay. In our last video, a commenter asked if he can wash his car engine bay by himself at home. The answer is yes, in as much as you have what it takes, like a pressure machine, the chemicals, where and what to protect, and most importantly, search for the kind of your automobile engine on our YouTube channel to know exactly what to do. Here, we covered the ECU. The air cleaner intake, and the alternator. First wash. If you have been following us, you will notice that we do apply chemicals before first washing, but on this one, it is a different case. The reason is that there is not much stubborn dirt, grease or gunk on the engine. It was only dust, so it would need less chemical. Here, little chemical was applied. We use only one chemical instead of 3. Here we washed it with soap and sponge. The main reason why we are so interested in posting all these videos here is that washing the engine bay is not something easy. We are in the 21st century, and we are supposed not to pass through these hard processes again before getting good results. Therefore, we challenge all creative engineers to produce machines that will do it better and faster. Therefore, if you have an idea, you can contact us to contribute to your idea if it is necessary. Here again, we applied more little chemical. Last washing. Here, we removed all plastic bags which we used to protect the engine. Before. After. For more videos, follow us on Facebook at DTO Auto Cleaning or Do Exclusive Car Wash on Instagram or at Do Exclusive1 on TikTok, or subscribe to our YouTube channel at DTO Exclusive Car Wash. Press the ring bell. Thank you.